What are you doing?
I'm making a ramp.
Where'd Laura go?
I don't know.
Okay, Nikhil is making his ramp. What? Yeah, the garden is pretty varied. Ooh. All right, we got snow angel happening. We got ramp building happening. I don't know. Is that gonna work?
At least it'll look cool when it's done. Okay, let's just gonna try it. Okay, where should we try? Let's try like over here.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay.
What?
Oh, this wind is a little bit cold for me. Okay, big unveil. Oh, not bad. Not bad.
Actually, kind of sturdy. It's not gonna work though.
No, I think if you tried to even step on it, it would.
What? Let's
Hey.
see if I can lie on it. Then I'll spread my weight out. I can! I can lie on it. Wait, no. I need to put the sled on it. My boots are covered.
It kind of works. Laura, you can get in there too.
Yeah.
I think you softened the edges a bit.
So I can get off.
All right, why don't you walk with me to the front? Let's get a video of the front of the house. See how it's doing.
The front has been used, so the snow is beautiful.
The front has been used? What do you mean? Why? Across the tundra goes Lara, fearless explorer of the front.
And that's actually kind of fun. Ew.
All right, I'm gonna sign off.